Mayor, you have been, no, it would seem that Lacson has been creating stories, making stories, and creating scenario. So what could be the ulterior motive? Di ba, meron siyang mga sinasabi tungkol sa, ayun, one of these things is about the, he has been insisting on the transfer of the Tacloban City Airport to Palo Leyte.
Okay, bago lang yun, you know, the best news I've heard this entire week is what Congressman Umali was just talking about. And maganda yan dahil nakita nyo naman, even a 6 billion amount like that went through his committee, and now they were able to save that much money for the city, for the government, and assuring also the public that magkakaroon tayo ng kuryente. Kasi malaking bagay din sa amin yan, mahal ang kuryente sa amin, pero most importantly, magkakaroon ng kuryente at hindi gagastos ng 6 billion. At mahigit sa lahat ay napapakita niya na hindi basta-basta lumalabas ang pera sa Congress, mahigpit sila.